Alright, what is up, boys and girls? Today we're going to Anthony, pulling up, perfect timing. We're gonna go ahead, go get some E85 for the Talon, because she's thirsty. Saw it. Oh man, why is the sky crying? Gotta buckle the baby in.
We gotta buckle the baby in. Nice, right here.
It's okay.
You're not going anywhere.
We'll be home soon. Nice. Alright, we're heading back to his place. Probably gonna pick up the bike, go make a gym move, and have some fun. Alright, just got back from AutoZone. You already know how to pick up a little bit of little race boost, you feel me, for the bike and the Talon. Ooh, some brake oil too.
Yeah. This is the fastest car in here.
The only car in here. Got the off-road. We going off-road today, brother. Oh, I got mud on me, brother. Oh shit, brother.
Is your mud all over the car?
What's up, you guys? Alright, yesterday it started to rain, so I didn't really bring the bike out. On my way home, it kind of started drizzling on me. And I knew it was going to get harder, so I checked the weather. So I was like, you know what, I'll save the video for another day. But we're going to go ahead today. That was just yesterday. So we're going to go ahead and go over to Anthony's house real quick. Just had the bike warmed up, or warming up now. He's finishing up his axle. Unfortunately, his axle broke. I'm not holding the mic, am I? Finishing up his Accord because his axle broke. And so we're gonna run over there real quick and just meet him up and tail end of it. And then we're gonna hopefully head over to the gym. Get a nice little forgotten muscle day pump. You know, the traps, calves, shit like that, groin. Shit you don't normally work. But you know I gotta bring the bike out, baby. Yeah, baby, we live, baby. It's nice out, baby. We live, baby, yeah. You already know. Gotta get that protein, boy. Oh my gosh. That's getting clean today. What's the stop sign? What's up, dude? What's up, dude? That one was? The front left. Yeah, the front left was. But obviously that's not good. Is it on? Oh yeah, it's on. Okay. Gah! That's okay, but this one. Oh. Damn. Oh yeah, that's broke. Oh yeah. Damn. Alright, so I've never heard my bike. My man's Auto finally is whipping my bike. He's got the same bike as me. Yeah, you can't look like that. It's just popping up on the hill. Yeah, it feels straighter. I don't know if it's because I'm a little high still, but I don't know. Now that it's in my head, it's kind of like scaring me. It's like sketchy. I'm sure it feels fine, but like, I don't know, it's just in my head now. There's Anthony. That shit look kind of hard. I fucked with that. Oh shit, fuck, hit the bug. Kinda scary, bro. Just knowing now that I know, it's like kinda scary. Oh, I really like that.
You ready?
Ooh.
It's ready right now.
How new is that? Cause this was matte black for a while. What is it, plastic? No, it's paint. Oh no, where? Yeah. Was the bike good though? Oh, that's sick. That's crazy. I wanted the same thing but in white on my bike. I saw it on Instagram.
I can do it.
Can you?
Me and my buddy Mike. Hey, this is nice.
No, look. I wanted this but in white, yo. Shit, hold on.
Ooh.
But in white.
Ooh. That best part? Look. Red.
Cause I look crazy with my gear on this shit. Ooh.
Look at this fucking look.
Oh, and the red is dirty. What? Hey, there we go. I just want to get the bikes in it. I was gonna say, why does it look so much smaller than mine? It's because it's so low.
Yeah, you got the fucking.
I still could be there.
You still see me? How tall are you?
No, 5'1".
See, I'm 5'9", 5'10", and I'm still like tippy toe. See, I love the front end on these, the new generation.
Yeah, they look.
See, oh, look at the difference. It's just so much more aggressive.
Yeah, it is. Mine's
Mine's like, what's up, dudes? What's up, dude?